The PLW400X has two modes of payout operations. There is a power-assisted mode, in which the hydraulic system turns on the drums for use when reconductoring. Perform all pre-operation inspections and startup procedures. The unit's engine will need to be turned on to move the level wind, and parking the level wind to the side so that it does not interfere with payout operations. Using the thumb rocker switch located on the top of the joystick or the level wind controls on the cab door, park the level winds out of the way. Sherman+Reilly recommends removing the line from the level wind prior to payout operations.
Line is typically paid out without power on the Sherman+Reilly PLW400X. In this mode, the line is pulled off and braking is provided by the payout brake system. To use the payout brake system, turn the key on to power on. This will power up the computer screen. It is not necessary to start the engine. Any necessary braking is provided by the payout brake lever to keep the drum from overspinning. Use the manual payout brake lever to apply brake pressure. Brake pressure is indicated with the system PSI.
Brake pressure can be maintained by closing the target drum brake lock valve to hold the brake pressure that was set with the brake lever. The operator should continually monitor the payout brake pressure and maintain contact with the other machine operators and spotters to ensure that adequate line tensions are maintained. Adjustment of the payout brake may be required to prevent overspin of the drum. If drum spin and braking is not monitored and excessive slack is allowed to form in the line, there can be a safety hazard, especially when conducting operations adjacent to or around energized lines. Manual brake pressure can be maintained without running the engine. Brake pressure is applied manually, but can be held with locking valves, even if when the key switch is turned on to the on position or the accessory on position.